ZOESHAAA.
Hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl ZOESHAAA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, by the title you can obviously tell what we are here today for. We interrupt your viewing of this video with a quick commercial break in collaboration with SilkSilky. And really need to invest in some new nightgowns or some pajamas. Did somebody say nightgowns? What's that? What the heck was that? Girl, it's me. I mean you. Zoe. Yes? Get up. Let's see what you got on. Me? No, me. Yes, you. Get up. Let me see what you got on. Look at this. Ugh. Pathetic. T-shirt and some shorts. Take this and try these on. SilkSilky. Yes, guys, so SilkSilky has been working in the silk field for more than 10 years, and they are a company that is committed to providing customers with healthier, luxurious, and inexpensive products. As we all know, pure silk clothing can be very expensive, but SilkSilky's prices are very competitive and it is good quality. Every woman wishes to have luxury sleepwear, silk sleepwear at that, because you know, who doesn't want to feel good when they're sleeping? When you feel good, when you look good, you feel good, everything is good, like life is good, everything's good, and who doesn't want a good night's sleep? So invest in everything, you guys, every single thing. So if you guys are interested, be sure to click the link in the description box to save some money with the coupon code. Just 2 seconds ago I was looking on the internet for some nightgowns and look at that. God just blessed me. Oh, thank you so much, SilkSilky. I absolutely love my nightgowns. And if you guys are interested in some nightgowns or some silk or satin pajamas, be sure to check the description box for more information, and also use my coupon code to save some coins. Okay, now back to the video. Now this is the first, I don't know if it's gonna be of many or if there will be another one based off of how this reaction got. You guys, the other day, the reason why I'm even doing this video, I have seen it going around like months ago, but I never thought I would have had like anything like, you know, drastic or anything to react to. But I was going through videos the other day.
was cringing. OMG. So I was like, you know what? I absolutely have to go back and react to one of my old YouTube videos. I don't know which one I'm going to actually react to. You know what? Let me just download. I don't even have the YouTube app on my phone, but let me just download it right now and go over to YouTube and go watch one of my videos. No. Yeah, so if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and welcome to my channel. If you are returning and you already live here, do not forget to hit the notification bell so you do not miss another video from me. If I am not here on if I'm not here on social media, if I'm not here on YouTube and you would like to stay connected, please visit the description box to find out all the links to all of my social medias, okay? And that way we can stay connected whenever it is that I'm not again here on YouTube. Now that we got all of those fandangles and stuff out of the way, for those of you who don't know, I have been on YouTube since hold on, let's see. Anyway, since 2014. I'm currently at 8,000 subscribers, 8.14 subscribers. Yeah, girl, 8.14 subscribers. And yeah, I've been doing videos for a very long time. Very long time. Sorry, very long time. So I should have some videos to react to. Now, I don't know if I want to react to a vlog just because those are gonna be super long. Let me see how long my old Jamaican vlogs used to be. But I definitely want to react to something because you guys, when I see the video, I was like, oh my god, like quality horrible, like everything, oh my god, everything. You guys, what did I start? Whoa, my first video was freaking 38 minutes. Ain't nobody got time for that? I got a Jamaica vlog that's 8 minutes. Oh my god, this is how I was on YouTube? Wait. Alright, I think I found one that was in the ugly era. I don't want to subscribe to my YouTube channel them time here or whatever. Alright, let me turn on my screen recorder. Hello. Is that? Alright. Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna react to this video, event etiquette, do's and don'ts. This was 5 years ago, and this video at this time has 122 views, okay? So it's 10 minutes and 55 seconds long. The hair alone, me say, I love. My Christmas tree looks bomb though. But yeah, let's. Oh, it has 10 likes. Watch the thumb. Wait. Pause. I'm not even watching it to react to it. Hold on, pause. Because let's just start with the intro. What was that? What's this big? Okay. Okay. All right. Hey guys, it's your girl ZOESHAAA. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here today with a video in regards to event etiquette and what I think people should do when it comes to being invited. Wait. Okay. No, like a background music. No, not my girl. Zoe. When I see this, like, when I see the girl upon the screen, this is a do's and don'ts. You should have don't wear this hair. You should have tried flat iron on your hair, girl. I think I was going naturally these times. But girl, look. Oh, couldn't tell me. Let me look at the comments. Let me see what. Tavia, you is a liar. And oh, Chris Mama. R.I.P. Terry. I miss you. That's my friend that passed away, you guys, a few years ago. But yeah, R.I.P. Terry. Whew. Jeez. You see? This is one reason, you guys, why I do YouTube. Because you just never know. You just never know. You don't even have to do YouTube, but just recording videos and times and, you know, moments that you don't know what can happen next week, what can happen next month. When you're with your people or your loved ones or whatever the case may be, take pictures. Joel's probably like, liar, 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 come on, always want to take picture, you never want to take picture. You have to know when to stop, okay? You don't want to ruin the moment as well, but try to do things where you can have those things to remember people. I hate when people pass away, or you know what I'm saying, and you don't have anything to show, like, not necessarily to show, but to remember like times that you guys had. All you have is like what's in your brain, you know? So yeah. Anyways. Ah! Right? Especially now that the holiday season is coming up and stuff. I think that these are some good tips that the invitee and the host should know. So I have 10 things that let's just keep it. Okay. Let's try this again. Know about events. I want it backside. We're not supposed to watch that video, people. Make me find one next one. Hold on. I'm so annoyed. Anyways, alright, let's go to this vlog. This is my second vlog ever. My second video ever. It's called vlog number 2, baby shower. This was recorded 6 years ago. Dang. Anaya's 6. And it has 296 views at this time, okay? Watch the ads. The success that we all aspire to. Watch the ads. Watch the ads. Okay, thank you. All right. Watch out. Y'all, I was using a trial editing version. I didn't have an editing app that was paid for monthly. Ew. Ew. But I still do use Cyberlink to this day. I love Cyberlink Power Director, you guys. Absolutely love Cyberlink Power Director. So if anybody ever wanted to know what I used to edit, Cyberlink Power Director, I was using it on my mobile phone for the longest time till my phone broke recently. So now I have to refer to it on the laptop, but love it. Anyways, back to the video. And this song, this intro song was actually recorded or sung by my cousin Shamika, who you guys would have seen in one of my most recent weekly vlogs when I was doing her hair. So yeah, she yeah. Ew. Thank you, Jesus. My intros got better. Because what is this? I used to like this song though. I know you're trying. I know you're trying. I can't remember where to look, but hi guys. This is where we're going. We're going to a party. What is it? Baby party. Feel the pink. Look at all this. Look, no, hold on. Look at this. Look at this. That's all. Can you stop ruffling up? Oh my God. You need to know that's real. Wait, can you hold on 1 second? She said what? You said that, guys. That's her. My lines are of this. What? Wow. Wow. I did not remember. Wow, that's so cool. So, okay. We're going to her little sister's baby shower. Yeah, her little sister's baby shower. My little baby goddaughter cousin Anaya, big up herself anyway she did. So yeah, this was the baby shower that we were going to. So yeah, carry on. we're driving to the big baby show. What am I gonna sing? Baby. What am I gonna sing? Miss Auntie Valerie, the driver of the day. Everybody's just shailing. Everybody's so angry, and the road is outside is just, you know, snowing all day. I don't know what the heck. It's a nice day because although it's snowing, it's cold. I mean, it isn't cold, which sucks because we've been in the freeze for so long, and the one day that we actually get out of it, it snows. Yo, the quality. Canada. You know what? I love Canada. I love the winter. I love everything. I love winter, but I just hate traveling. It's true. Very true. I wish I could fly. I wish I had a helicopter. Because I wouldn't even fly in these conditions. Like, just too long. But that's not Hey. Yo, if there's anything about me that has not changed, when it comes out to music and beats and rhythm, me turn fool. How did I know I said that? How did I know I said that? How did I know I said that? Brrr, like, how did I know I said that? Brenna, what's your fears? That's so funny. Yes, that's a Jamaican. I love the Jamaican. The blood. Yeah, man. What's your? The Jamaican. True. Who says it? Tell me, because I see it on Facebook. Everybody says it. But who said it? It started. That's a good question. I don't know. You know what? I don't know, because like when a rhythm comes out, like everybody just jumps on the same thing. So like I don't know who would have said it. Maybe somebody just woke up and said, everybody get up, and somebody catches out the door and say, yo, up. Jamaica though, for real. It is a song. Okay. Is that a real fire truck? It's a fire truck. Yo, I was watching Latoya Forever mad hard. Like, that's how I got the oh god, because there's no Trinity associated with me. So, but yeah. This boring though, you know. I did have little vibes, but I never really have, you know, like. Oh shit. Yeah, like I was saying, that it's all her music that's on, that will be played. And you know what? In a few months I'll show you the rest. Okay, perfect. Yeah, well, my songs are on that. So I was playing this morning. You know? So I was like, do you know what this is? Like okay. Like my hair, guys? No. Okay, that's all you, right? This is all me, girl. You can't really see it. We don't want to see it. I was making me look so bad. What kind of ear that? But I just feel like I look better. I don't know, maybe it's because like how I'm sitting in the backseat too. This part. We're doing it right now. 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 Oh yeah, we're doing it right. We're doing it right family that supported me from the beginning of time with my channel. When I tell you guys, like, it was literally like my nieces, they were just like, you need to be on YouTube. Where's when we found out about like Latoya Forever and Rochelle and all of that stuff? They were like, you need to be on YouTube. Well, I mean, like, I was already meant it when I was like watching them hard, because I'm just like, nah, man, this is the place for me. Like, I need to be here, you know? Watch me come back in a few years, come react to this video. But literally, I was like, I need to be here. So yeah, wide screen recording. But yeah, big up everybody who supported me from the beginning on my YouTube channel, on my YouTube journey. I love you guys. Mwah. Cause nobody know make me start my channel. I mean, make me start my channel myself. Let me just get that out there, because I feel like there's a lot of people out there in this like land of social media that feel like they put people on to social media, and unless you made my email, build my YouTube channel, help me edit, make thumbnails, stay up, make me come up with ideas and all of them someday, you know what, put me on if your name is not YouTube or Google, you cannot own no for me, okay? Get that out there. Watch ya. Video stop screen record again. Alright. Right. Right. I don't remember the shower.
And of course, Bobby's gonna be there to speculate. Come on, keep driving, man. We have somewhere to go. So sad.
What?
I know, I was doing that. It's like engraved in our culture. You know this thing? Bang, bang, bang. Remember? Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, bang.
What? Alright, let me skip. See, alright, we're there at the baby shower now.
Alright, that's it. Hey, introduce yourself to the vlog.
God, I look like a granny.
Introduce yourself to the YouTubers.
What is going on with my hair? I don't stream upon YouTube, and you guys tell me really and truly, 296 of you guys who watch this video, you guys are telling me nobody couldn't tell me anything about my hair? Really? God.
I don't know if this is the right way or this is the wrong way, but I think it's gonna, I don't know. Either way, it's gonna. Yeah. Introduce yourself. Nice. Tell them who you is, boy. That's my cousin Shepherd.
Why do I talk like that?
Her ugly face gonna be up in here. Just kidding. But you gonna be hearing her music all the time, like I've been saying. I'm gonna keep repeating myself over and over and over again.
You tell them, girl. Promote your family, girl. You tell them, girl. Why do elderly. Love you, Auntie Valerie. Why do parents do that when they see a camera? Like, what are you looking for? Just say hi and come off of the screen. What are you looking for? I never I'm gonna go back. Come and understand. What is she looking for? What is she really looking for? What's up?
What's your name?
What?
Oh God, yeah, so never left. Always came to that's all I have to show. Make me sing until you remember my name. Shamika sing
Yo, Shamika was definitely hot.
Who the hell is that? That man. I don't know. I was looking at it like, no. I was going through the email, like through Facebook, and you know the pictures like what they send to who you know or whatever, and he come on it. So you had this and the other something. Okay, what are you asking for? The microphone? Yes.
Old people. Old people on social media.
What's your microphone, man?
Ever already forgot my
Microphone is right there.
It's not working.
You have to hold it down.
I know, look. You know much? Hold on, now they're trying to set it up. Then I have to go to, what do you call it?
Look at my hair! I still can't get over my hair. I hate it. Ew! Like, ew! I'm sorry to be yelling, you guys, but my hair looks horrible. Jeez. Oh my God, you guys! I think that was my very first balloon arch. 6 years ago. Look at my work. Yo, do you know the struggle that I went through to make that arch, and that wasn't even good. Ew. Ew, I wouldn't sell anybody this now. Like, ew. Although my balloons, like, size-wise, you know, very nice. Very, very nice. But the top could have filled in a little bit more. Anya. Oh my God. I miss those Tims. I'm okay. Anyway, so yeah, as I was saying before my camera decided to shut off, you guys don't understand, like, when I miss an upload day, I'm just like, I know there's certain girls on here who are cursing me out because, you know, I know you guys look forward to seeing my face on here, you know what I'm saying? And I love being on here and talking to you guys. So trust me, when I miss a day, I feel it. Don't just think like I'm just not doing anything or I'm just taking it lightly or whatever. No, trust and believe. Like, I don't know, sometimes you guys have helped me out through some situations that you probably don't even know that you guys have helped me through. Some of the messages that you guys send to me, when I read them, I'm telling you guys, like, they literally move me to know that I am actually doing what I set out to do. Like, I always tell you guys, my golden life is to, you know, bring happiness to people. A lot of people are saying, you're not bring happiness to me, but, you know, bring happiness to you guys, bring enjoyment to your life, be there to, you know, use my story, the stuff that I've been through to help somebody else out, that type of stuff. So once you guys are gaining from the content that I'm putting out there, I feel fulfilled. So thank you guys so much for rocking with me for so long. For those of you who have been rocking with me since I've started my channel, for those of you who've jumped on somewhere in the middle. And those of you who are just now joining the people them, I hope you guys love it here. Continue to love it here. Continue to support me and show me love. And I will always do my best to continue to put out amazing content for you guys to enjoy. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Start again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys would like to see me to react to other videos, comment down below. Let me know. I like, you know, trying different things and stuff like that. You know, I feel intimate with you guys. Just kidding. But yeah, if you guys would like to see me react to other videos, comment down below. Let me know, and let me know any other type of video ideas that you guys would like to see me tackle or do. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, as I said earlier on in the video, when I'm not here on YouTube, in order to stay connected, you can find all of my social media links in the description box. Comment down in the comment section below. That is how we are going to be communicating. Hello, I gotta talk to you guys, and that's the only way that I can talk to you guys, in the comment section. Okay, so comment something. Comment something. That's what it's there for, and it's free. Please, thank you. All right, and also subscribing is free as well, you guys. Even if you guys don't end up staying forever, just subscribe now. You can unsubscribe tomorrow. Just kidding, you won't want to. But anyways, that's enough rambling for today. I will see you guys in my next video, whenever that is. What is wrong with me? Whatever that is and whatever that is. Thank you guys again for stopping by today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, wait. Before you guys go, also, don't forget to check out SilkSilky if you guys are interested in any of their pajama sets. I don't want to say pajama sets, but you know what I mean. Their sleepwear, their nightgowns, or their, as I said, their sleep sets. Go over to their channel and use my coupon code to get some money off, okay? All right, now, see you guys in the next video. Bye.